They know my story.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be showing you guys how I do these locks for my client. So these locks, they have different names like butterfly locks and boho locks and distress locks and everything, but honestly they all kind of look the same. So if you like what you see, this is exactly how you get and achieve that look, basically, because I feel like people will ask what's the difference between this and that, and then different stylists, different people just have different names for all their locks. So honestly, the names matters, but not as much. If you like what you see, then this is how I got the look, basically. As you can see, my client has a very nice, beautiful kinky hair. So of course this locks, you can get this look using kinky hair, fine hair, any hair type, basically. So right now I am going to be doing free parts for my clients, and that is what I am doing right now. I start from the middle for my free parts, and then I braid my client's natural hair. People ask questions like, can you braid with hair extension, like kinky twist, kinky Marley hair and stuff like that? Yes, you can, but you don't really have to. If the point of the hairstyle is to have these light soft looks for your clients, you don't want to add on too much hair. Of course you could if you need to, but I just don't for all my clients. But I feel like if my client has like fine hair or shorter hair, I would use like kinky hair extensions to just give it some type of like volume and fullness, so that I am not like pulling their hair too much. But I feel like right now it's just fine to just braid your client's natural hair before you start wrapping. And for the free part, as you can see, I'm just parting from every corner. So I start from the middle, and then I go on both sides, and then I end up doing that for the rest of my client's hair. Right now I am using the Queen's Lounge edge control. I do have the edge control in my description box. I do have that in pink and in green. I do have the green is the apple flavor. I do have that in pink and in green. And I do have the link to the edge control in my description box, as well as the rat tail comb and also magnetic wristband. For this hairstyle, I had to use I think about 6 to 7 packs of the sprinkles hair, and we use color 1B. I do have the link to the hair as well in my description, and that is the only hair that I use for this hairstyle. I did not really have to dip this in hot water. What I did at the end was I boiled the hot water. I dipped a dry towel in the hot water, squeezed it, or maybe not, and then used it to massage my my client locks. And what that does is that it does give your client the locks like a softer and lighter look, and it just makes it looser and stuff like that. So it's not like so stiff or anything like that. That's the only reason why I use the hot water. You don't for like the massage. So you don't really have to, but I do that for all my clients. And also I also apply the oil for my client. I do have the oil link in my description box. I do that because I don't want my client's scalp to be dry. And I also the scalp also good it's a good treatment for hair growth and dandruff and stuff like that. So right now I'm done braiding, and I do have the link. I'm done braiding, and right now I am currently counting my client's braids, and I think we had about 5 to 6 count of braids, and that is what we're going to have when we start wrapping as well. And so before we even start wrapping, I want to get into how many strands of the sprinkles hair we use. So one pack has about 30 strand of sprinkles hair. And to start wrapping, you can either start wrapping with 1.5, but as of right now I start using 2 strands to start wrapping, and I use 1 strand to continue wrapping. And I mean, right now you're gonna see how I do it. So I just insert the sprinkles hair. Right now I am measuring to make sure that we are going to get about the same length by the time we get to the end, and I am just wrapping. If you look closely, I'm also going to show you guys how I make my loop. I do this hairstyle a lot, so it's just hard for me to like slow down. But as you can see right now, I'm just taking my fingers under the sprinkles hair, letting it loose, and then I'm going to keep wrapping. And I am just going to do that for the rest of my client locks. Now when I got to the end of my client locks, I just wrapped it all the way up, and I try not to suppress the already made loop. Sometimes I do suppress them without knowing. I just close them off without knowing. But over time, the look is going to come together. So just don't think much about it. Just wrap it all the way up and rub it to your palm, and that is the way I secure the ends of my clients the end of my client's locks. So usually like the first 3 rows, you end up using it by, I think you start with 2 and then continue with 1, maybe like 3 strands. But when you get to the top, because again the back is closer to your shoulder, but when you get to the middle and the top, it's not close to your shoulder, so you might end up using about 4 or 4.5 really. So that's why there's no like specific amounts. I can just tell you in between 3 to 4 or 3 to 5, and then depending on the size that you want, you might end up using even less or even more. And yeah, that'll be all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.
It's FAUXLOCS.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my whining, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me yard, see me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar, girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's FAUXLOCS.
We finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Original. Bad man, but drop the place. In a bad man, but drop the place. Original bad man, a bad man, but drop the place. In a bad man, but drop the place.
Just say no, 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 no.
In a bad man, but drop the place. In a bad man, but drop the place.
Just say yeah,
a bad man, but drop the place. In a bad man, but drop the place. Original bad man. In a bad man, but drop the place. In a bad man, but drop the place. Body nice. See I got them here, them a moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man I tell her me she go low. Bad man I put you in a photo. Countdown, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a loop now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
No, 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 no. She say yeah,
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So they really your number one I control. So they really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
no, 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 no. She say yeah,
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Original bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the
It's
vibe.
FAUXLOCS.
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
It's FAUXLOCS.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sippin' on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sippin' on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feelin' on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me yard, see me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar, girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's FAUXLOCS.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
standard.
It's FAUXLOCS.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sippin' on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls, them a come, them a whining on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I they think so. Any man, them me looking at they think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in a the thing.